We have a tree tomato. Huh. And there's a class going. It's a permaculture place in Constantia, or proper permaculture. Look at these beautiful. You just select what you want and you pay at the front when you leave. I want to propagate these. Last time I had this was in Lusikisiki, Transkei, and here's a course on its way. This proper permaculture garden. Isn't this amazing? Constantia, so beautiful. A winter's morning in May. No, end of April. Ah, been showered.